Hi there, I'm John Gibbons, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a chipped glass. A customer brought these in the other day, and so I'm going to try to make them a little less sharp, and she just wanted to be able to use them, so I'm going to polish them up on this cold working lathe. I'm going to start with this smoother wheel. Since there's not a lot of material to take off, I'm really just kind of smoothing out what's sharp. Okay, so I'm going to start on this 300 grit wheel, then I'm going to move to the 600. Alright, well that's pretty safe now. Took off the sharp parts. This other one, I'm going to have to take off the edge here. Can you see how that's kind of like changing? There's like a crack beneath the surface. Decided to dig that little shattered bit of glass out there. When you're using this orange wheel, it gets hot, so you got to use a lot of water. And it really has a lot of friction to it, and you got to be careful not to get the glass too hot, because I've cracked pieces from heating them up on this wheel. You can see how there's like a whiter part right there. So that's what needs to get polished on the orange wheel. The whiter part is the grind from the first 300 grit wheel. So I'm going to take it back to this orange one. That's all ground down to the orange wheel. So you can see there, that's kind of chalky white, so I'm going to take it to the orange wheel. And now it's ready. It's ready to go to the next wheel. So there is the first grind on the 300 grit wheel, and I'm going to leave that kind of shattered look. It's not sharp, it kind of looks cool. So now I'm going to take it to the orange wheel. I don't want to push too hard right here because it's so thin it could just like dig into my wheel, so I'm just real lightly pushing there. I think I need to just go over it a little more. It's a little better. Okay, so it's a little bit chalky. Other cup here, you can see that is from the orange wheel. Okay, I'm going to go to the final wheel. Now you can just barely see how there's like a little bit of chalkiness in there, and so this will just clean it up real clear. So it's looking better. It's really chalky still here, so it's looking a lot better. Still a little bit chalky here. Okay, so I finished that cup up. The client picked it up. She really liked it. She just wanted it to not be sharp so she could still use it. If you're learning to cold work, I suggest getting these really cheap wheels. They are sintered, oh sorry, no, these are electroplated diamond. They're really cheap, 40 bucks, and they'll last you quite a while. If you want to buy a better wheel, get a sintered wheel, and these could last potentially your whole career. It's really thick with diamond. It's like an 1/8 inch thick with diamond impregnated into brass, I think. And yeah, cold working is a great skill to learn. If you've got any questions, leave them below. I'm John Gibbons. Have a great day.